Drawing with Ava. Hello little friends, I'm Ava. Welcome to our drawing and painting channel. Today we are going to learn and draw one of the sweetest and cutest creatures, that is the sheep. Now get ready and let's go. Let's start drawing from his head, making each curve of his wool very slowly. Did you know that sheep are very old livestock animals? The sheep have a cute and characteristic appearance, with their bodies covered in wool and their heads short and round. Sheep are very docile and adorable animals. Usually sheep live in herds. Okay. We're done with the head. Let's start drawing your little body. We start at the back, one turn at a time, very slowly. Did you know that sheep are known to be easy to care for and adaptable to different types of weather? The sheep have such soft wool that they make them perfect for stroking. Sheep mostly have white wool, but they can also be found with wool of different colors, such as brown, black, and gray. The sheep also have expressive eyes and very short horns that grow from their temples. Now we finish the body, and in the same line we have already made one side of her face. How about we draw your little ear? It turned out really good. Our sheep is already starting to appear. Wow! Let's finish the face. It was very easy so far. Now we draw the other little ear. We draw the left eye. And we draw the little right eye. We draw the nose. Finally, we draw his mouth. To finish our outline, we will draw the paws. Wow! Have we finished our outline? Looks great! How about? Shall we paint? I've already separated the four colors. Shall we paint our beautiful little sheep? To paint the sheep's head, we will use a very light beige color similar to cream. A curiosity about sheep is that they are animals that prefer to live in groups. Sheep feel safe and secure when they are in groups. Very well. Let's paint the wool on your body the same color as your head. It was very easy so far. Did you know that sheep also have a good memory? Sheep remember where they have already found food. Did you know that sheep are able to recognize other sheep and humans with whom they have already had contact? Wow! The sheep are very funny and intelligent animals. We will paint a part of the little ears and the little nose in pink. First, the right ear. Now the little nose. Finally, the left ear. Our sheep is getting beautiful. Now let's paint the paws brown very slowly. Remember to pay attention to the curves and details to create a very realistic painting. To finish our painting, we will use beige to paint the top of the ears. Continue painting very slowly. Contour your eyes and then contour your nose and mouth. Every face of our sheep was painted? Very well. Now we paint your legs and you're ready. Little friends, our drawing of the sheep was beautiful. Wow! Our sheep is already complete. It's a very colorful and happy drawing. Drawing and painting with me is a really cool way to learn about sheep. Congratulations! It turned out amazing. Thank you for drawing this beautiful sheep along with me this far. Hope you had a lot of fun. Now, you can like this video and subscribe, so you don't miss any new drawings. I will always bring new designs here. A super kiss from Ava and see you soon. Drawing with Ava.